In this video, we will go over capturing and reverting a view in Fusion 360. Understanding the difference between capturing and reverting a view is helpful to ensure when this window shows up on your screen, you will make a suitable selection for your design display. Here you see dishware arranged at random on a tray. Using the Move/Copy modifier, I can shift the position and orientation of each dishware. When I make changes in position for any object, this causes a new field in the top toolbar called Position to appear. Here I have two selections, Capture and Revert. By pressing Revert, I can revert all objects in the design space to the original position and orientation that each component was imported. If you press Capture, the bottom toolbar shows the Capture Position icon. By suppressing the position icon, all components return to their original positions. Capturing a view is helpful when needing to include custom planes and other construction features for assembly.